Hello, this is Scott with Harry Eckloff and Associates, and this video is about the Navien code 762, why you have the code 762 and what you got to do to fix it. Hit that subscribe button down there and we'll get right to it. These videos are intended as refresher training and pointers for our contractor and wholesaler partners. These short videos are not intended to replace a Navien training class. Please contact your local wholesaler or manufacturer's rep to schedule a training class for your company. If you are a service tech servicing a Navien unit, please contact tech support at 800-519-8794 and record your service visit by the serial number for that unit. Navien records all service on all units for future reference. If you're a homeowner, please do not attempt to service or adjust your Navien on your own, as service by untrained persons voids the Navien warranty. Please go to Navien.com and use a dealer locator on the website to look up a local service provider in your area. Navien has had in their instruction manual for years not to put street 90s on top of the exhaust outlet to start your vent run. A street fitting does not penetrate the vent connection enough to keep carbon monoxide from seeping into the space. So this was a problem when people didn't notice it in the directions. So what Navien did to prevent that and protect the consumer is they changed the exhaust connection. The exhaust connection now has a vent installation detector switch built into it, requiring a 3-inch pipe penetration to make the switch. If this switch is not made, the heater will not run. So if you're getting an error code 762, the vent is not inserted properly or all the way to make this switch. You'll need to remove that piece of pipe and extend it, or if you put a street 90 on it, take the street 90 off and replace it with a 90 and a piece of pipe long enough, 3 inches long, to make this switch. At that point, your heater should operate normally. We hope this helped. Please make sure to contact your local Navien factory representative to get training on installation and troubleshooting the Navien products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon down there so you can get other upcoming Navien tips. For Harry Eckloff and Associates, we'll see you next time.